So here in this video, let us continue to solve word problems based on quadratic equations. So the problem that we have is this. The sum of two numbers is 15. If the sum of their reciprocal is 3 by 10, find the numbers. So let one of the numbers be x. Right? So the other number should be 15 minus x because sum of them equals 15, right? So now if the sum of the reciprocal is 3 by 10, that is 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x. If this is equal to 3 by 10, we need to find the numbers. Well, as long as you've formed this equation, I think it's a pretty simple thing to do. So all you need to know is how to form this equation. So you first have to assume the right thing. So the sum of two numbers is 15. So what are those two numbers? If one is x, another is definitely going to be 15 minus x. The sum of their reciprocal, that is 1 by x plus 1 by 15 minus x. If it is 3 by 10, find the numbers. So just solve this. So we get 15 minus x plus x divided by x times 15 minus x equals 3 by 10. X and x gets cancelled. So what we've got is 15 divided by 15x minus x squared. X times 15 is 15x and x times negative x is negative x squared, which is equal to 3 by 10. So now cross multiplying, we get 15 times 10 equals 3 times 15x minus x squared. So now we've got 3 times 15x is 45x. 3 times minus x squared is negative 3x squared equals 150. So we've got minus 3x squared plus 45x minus 150 equals 0. Multiplying throughout by negative sign, we get 3x squared minus 45x plus 150 equals 0. So now let's divide the entire thing by 3. We get x squared minus 15x plus 50 equals 0. So now let us factorize 50 such that, well, it's pretty simple. We don't have like factorize because 10 times 5 is 50. And you know, the sum of 10 and 5 gives you 15. So we have x squared minus 5x minus 10x plus 50 equals 0. So all that we are left to do now is group them and factorize them. So we've got x squared minus 5x minus 10x plus 50 equals 0. Now taking out x from these two terms, we have x minus 5. Then we have another x minus 5. It has to be x minus 5, right? So, or just take out minus 10 and you will get x minus 5. Minus 10 times x is minus 10x. Minus 10 times minus 5 is plus 50. This is equal to 0. Considering both these terms, let's take out x minus 5. All you've left is x minus 10 equals 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. X equals 5 or x equals 10. So we've got 2. Now x can be either 5 or x can be either 10. So therefore the two numbers are 10 and 5 because 10 plus 5 is 15. And the reciprocal 1 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Let's see what it gives. We have 2 plus 1 by 10, which is 3 by 10. You can solve this if you want to check. Well, I'd skip a lot of steps, assuming that you definitely do know how to take LCM and add to fractions. So yeah, we've checked it. Therefore, the numbers that we're looking for are 10 and 5. So that ends this problem as well as this video. Pretty simple it was, not very complicated. All you had to do was just frame this equation and then you were on your way. You just had to, carry out some basic mathematical operations and then you were on your way to the answers. So I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more word problems based on quadratic equations.